Hello again. So here's a question I get a lot, or at least I've gotten it a few times. So I figure if you keep asking me, I'll make a video about it. People have come to me and said, "Hey, I've got this financial model, and there's some underlying data that solves for some things, like say IRR and equity multiple. And then at the top level, instead of just linking to the IRR and the equity multiple, there's this like picture object which like you could drag around, or you can make it bigger, or you can make it smaller, or you could like place it in a cell. Like, how the heck did I make that? To make that sort of thing, you need to use the camera tool. Now, a lot of people don't even know where the camera tool is. In my case, it's in the quick access toolbar. If you want to first get the tool, you need to even like, well, be able to get access to the tool. So to get access to the tool, I just go up here, I right click here, I go to customize quick access toolbar, and then on my quick access toolbar, I could bring over from the list of all commands the camera tool. And I'll find it. There's the camera tool. Excel has lots of tools that probably you didn't even know existed. There's way more than what's in the ribbon or the quick access toolbar. There's just stacks and stacks and stacks of stuff. Anyway, so bring the camera tool up, and then if you want to do this, what you basically do is you go to the data you want to have be turned into an object, you highlight it, you click the camera tool, you go to where you want to create the object. I just hop to the next worksheet by doing control page up. You then highlight some cells. You do like hold down the left mouse or mouse pointer, like tell it where you want it, let go, and there she is. And then now that we've built this, if I go to the underlying data and I decide to make this red and give this a yellow background, and I go back up to the top, there it is. This is a nice way of taking models that you've built and quickly building executive summary pages that simply take the underlying data and replicate them. That's why people use this. And then you can drag it around or format it however you want. That probably makes more sense than having a bunch of links to underlying stuff. For one, you don't have to worry about linking it. You just sort of build it and move it. Again, the major hurdle for most people is even knowing this tool exists. Go to the top, right click, customize the toolbar, find the object on the left side, bring it over to the right side, and well, there's the tool. Cool. Again, if this sort of stuff fills you with joy, I do an Excel modeling class for real estate finance and investment. You can check that out on my website at kahrrealestate.com. It's right there. I also have some self-paced pre-recorded classes on a range of topics, which again, you can check out on my website. If anyone has any other questions or things that might be good, email me. I'm always looking for good things. And again, my email is josh@kahrrealestate.com. Until I see you again, keep building better models.